At ngayon naman mga kapatid, napaapato challenge na ba ang lahat? Kung hindi pa, bye! Spotlight on po tayo kasama ang Dance Fitness Revolution Philippines.
Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you?
Siyempre, kailangan ng
Don't
intro.
you need me like I need you now? Say tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
What's up? Happy birthday, Jim! What's up? Hey!
Mami Chiki Roa Puno, dito pa rin po. At syempre, ating mga dancers, maraming salamat sa inyo. May pasok pa po sila ngayon. Kaya abangan nyo yan. Ito na. Ayan. 1, 2.
Tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me